So I did all
Hey,
the...
is that Judy and Treena?
Hello creatives, what's going on? Devin here again. Today we are actually going to be showing you guys something a little exclusive. Treena got booked for a fashion show and we are so excited to take you behind the scenes and give you a look at everything that happens, all the way from them doing makeup through them walking up through the runway. It's going to be so freaking cool. I'm so excited. If you can't tell, it is cold here in Colorado right now and I can't believe I decided to shoot this outside, but I did, because they're making a lot of noise. So instead of us taking you in there to hear all the racket, I'm just going to show you some really cool B-roll while they get ready. So let's get to it. Hello creatives, we are here at the venue. We are at Church Nightclub and we're trying to get ready for this fashion show. Obviously makeup's already done. So now it's really just a matter of waiting for our turn to walk the runway, get everything ready, and kind of enjoy the show.
Yeah, absolutely. Like you said, got all the makeup done, just got to get everybody in their outfits and wait for that clock to hit 9:45, and then it'll be our chance to hit that runway. Normally I'd be walking the runway with them just to, you know, rep my stuff at the end, but this time I'm actually going to be taking all the pictures, so a lot of the stuff you guys are going to be seeing behind the scenes is actually from me tonight. So I did all
Hey,
the...
is that Judy and Treena?
I did it! I did it!
Oh, that's a camera I see? What's happening? What's happening?
So my dope ass models here.
Oh, I'm gonna be looking good tonight for this show. Look at my face. I'm ready for this. Damn ready.
You guys are going to be seeing a lot of him. We're going to be doing a lot of videos this year. We're going to be doing a whole heap load of photo shoots, a bunch of music videos. Like, honestly, you guys, I'm so excited for this. I know this is going to be kind of a weird little format. Instead of us doing more instructional, this is literally you guys just being along for the ride, but I couldn't be more excited for this.
I hope you guys enjoy all the fashion and all of the music. He made the music. I'm doing all of the hair, the makeup, and hopefully you enjoy the photos I take too, guys.
Much love, you guys. Enjoy. So not only is there not a green room for us to actually get dressed in, this is what we've got to try to get ready.
how clean I'm looking? You see how I'm rocking? Look around you. This is casual right now, man. Here's the garments gonna be selling for grands, man. Cause we're rocking it. Get the camera out my face.
Oh my goodness. Alright. I'm so sorry you guys have to witness this loopiness, this ludicrousness. We're exhausted. It's been one hell of a day, but I sincerely thank you for sticking around, for enjoying this video, or actually, if you enjoyed the video, or if you didn't, let us know in the comments. Let us know down below, because your guys' feedback actually will help us build the content, you know, make this channel more enjoyable for everybody, because I love making these videos. I hope you guys enjoy watching them. I really, really enjoy your fashion, by the way. If you liked her stuff too, this is another side plug. We're definitely going to be doing something again with those outfits in the future. You're going to be seeing them very soon. Alright, I'm sorry. We're weird. It's tired. I'm exhausted. We need to get out here. But shouts out. Thank you so much for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe. Do all that good stuff. Have a good one.